She did it herself. Na me talk am. Yes, Tiwa released it on her own.
Davido and Shoma took their son Ifeanyi to church for the first time. Step out with matching outfit. My correct people before I go dey knack una wetin be the ogbonge gist when e dey for table right now. Make I first throw away salute for all of una. Hello my correct people. You are welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Yes, so I'm back again with another ogbonge gist. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that anytime when I throw away ogbonge gist like this, you no go fit dey miss am. Yes, my correct people, make I dey drop am small the way it dey hot right now. Yes, so it happens to be say make I first drop this one for now when it concern Tonto Dike. This picture when it surface when Tonto Dike come be like say e dey play with Pero, which is two baba baby mama, come make a lot of people dey talk say birds of the same feather flock together. Why? Because say the kind tori when e follow this Pero for back because of Ani Idibia marriage. Some people come dey talk say Tonto Dike sef e no suppose near am at all. Meanwhile, we dey hear for other places say Tonto Dike with this Pero they don be friends for very long time. So how the babe now come take land for Naija? Everybody know say she dey for Naija right now. Na Tonto Dike go look for her and they come take this kind picture. When they take the picture, Tonto Dike post am. Now the woman self come post am too. My people, now she come carry this message. She come carry and join her. She come tag am also. He come talk say miss you bo. Now the Pero self come carry the same message. Come add and join. Or he come post am. But a lot of Nigeria belle no sweet. But they talk say Tonto Dike no suppose me go with this kind person because when e be like saying na home breaker na she be. Say if Tonto Dike dey me go with this kind person, that means say they be birds of the same feather. My correct people, wetin I think? Na think say Tonto Dike sef no suppose near this woman at all because if una say make una look am, we dey hear say Tonto Dike with the woman, they don be friends for very long time. So because two baba and two baba wife when they call her Nina with this woman, I know they agree. You advise say Tonto Dike sef not supposed near am at all because we see they hear say even the Ani Idibia and her friend to Rose that is Shoshi wife. So my correct people, make una drop now comment below at the comment section how na see and how na think am. Make I leave and make I bounce to the other side of the gist. Yes, so my correct people then talk say another man matter. Now show that they for the carry am, they don't they carry am for head. But it come be like say this Davido and Shoma matter. Some people say don't carry the matter for head though. Now inside on Sunday, now we can see say after the birthday party when they do for their pikin, when they call him fine, they come decided to still take the pikin go church, whether they go dedicate on something like that. So a lot of people say first they react say pikin when don't complete 2 years now they dedicate and waiting make una take una so long, my correct. Now don't be that one be the matter when e dey for ground though. The cocoa when e dey for the matter now be saying the way Shoma self with Davido take step out, they say na matching outfit, my correct people. I see the way that they talk and I mean myself, I go Tafia, I go touch light, make I see the kind complete when they wear. Lo and behold, I can see say Davido say na this Yoruba outfit, that is Yoruba cloth na him wear. Meanwhile, Shoma self can wear elegant long gown and he can carry one scarf take tie hair join am. That is, I don't know what they call that one when you put for head. So it can't happens to be say it can't be the same color, some part of the color when Davido wear. So because of that one, a lot of people can't conclude say na complete na they wear. So me myself I can't dey wonder say if na complete, wetin make sure myself not fit use the same cloth when Davido wear self. Can't take and sew boba wrapper join say make you now we will know say na complete, not because say coincidentally say because he put one color for head and the color can happens to be say e still dey for Davido cloth come me say na complete na they wear. So my correct people, a lot of people self come they react because of the way when they take picture because this one they confirm say many things say they're not right in the sense that when I know say that party when they do for their pikin, that birthday party, now see the way Davido first take give Shoma back for them when Shoma they dance now, so he carry pikin take and give Shoma back. A lot of people self see they talk say nothing is wrong, say everything just they can't pay and give them back. They won't take picture, come like say self, then force them, make them take that picture. You don't finish for there or it can see happens to be say now this one now when be say they go do shy dedication now, they won't still take picture. If you now watch and wear, when I will come see am say the Shoma said now person will be like say if I want make peace reign. So the way me I dey see things so on my own way, my people now they talk I not say make una not talk on our own way. I just now Davido now get the coconut head for this matter because Shoma said like say he be ready to pose for the picture, but Davido they give am back. How you go dey give person back when e be say na you with am dey do pepper dem video? What about all those pepper dem video and this lovey lovey video una dey do before? Why e come be say if una dey dance you give am back, una wan take picture you give am back? See the way Chioma take stand for back like humble girl. The thing come dey make some people dey say no no no, these people dem no dey again, they are just doing it as co-parenting. But na some people just dey imagine. I surprise say some people dey talk say some people now go shame they don join together. This na normal thing wey be say Davido suppose do, because e do am with other of the baby mama. So wetin go make am no do am with Chioma? So I don't know why people sef come dey take am to another level. Of people sef now dey talk say Chioma and Davido dem still dey, some talk say dem no dey, but with the body language when Davido dey give Chioma and the party when they even do sef, we no see any family, that is any personal picture when Davido and Chioma just take like that. Now they are lovey lovey picture when Davido take dey hold am for yansh before they go take picture, all those kind one we no see am, apart from the one wey be say dem take for there when e come be like say na by force. And this one they still take for church now, e just still be like say Davido sef e no even get choice, e be like say na by force now. But anyway, I need to do wetin I go do for my pikin. And if I still watch am well for the picture now, see say Davido just wear like casual slippers, e no dress, something like that na special occasion, you suppose dress elegant. So my correct, I don't know wetin I think, because a lot of people dey talk say say Davido never ever take any of his pikin go church one day, so that means say he take Chioma own go church na special. That means automatically things don't fall for place. We want make things fall for place, so people when they call people haters for nothing, when they forget to look the right direction where the arrow they come from, then they look the wrong direction. So my people will not be say we not pray make things come back together. But it's obvious say all these people say they like me that they talk their matter, because as they carry this pikin go church now go do this thing, if to say they don't post them for public make them see, shebi nobody go talk about them, nobody go know wetin happen. So for the fact say they continue they post them, definitely they expect people comment and people opinion, and that's so it go always be. When they talk say leave Chioma Davido for waste, we no go leave them for waste. If they really want make them leave them for waste, then sef no go dey post any small thing when they do, they go post them for us when they know say we be army, but our eye no dey see, with us say our mouth no dey talk. Not be only that one, my correct people. Why Davido wetin make me think say in with Chioma go dedicate their pikin? Probably now don't forget say Chioma na from Christian home, my parents na Christian, definitely they must carry and go church. If it be say Davido himself not be Christian, now know that Davido fit be Christian for math. Now don't see Davido say he dey go church, he ready one day say they go church. Davido not be Christian, so if they carry the pikin go dedicate, and that one I go be from Chioma's side, because now her belief be that. And probably maybe other Davido baby mamas they not be Christian, or maybe they do they don't do that kind of thing, they don't still do they not put them for public, they don't want to make anybody know. So man and woman go dedicate their pikin, and waiting they supposed do now then do not me say that one automatically say their relationship don't stand, which we want make the relationship make them come back. But for now, nada, we not dey see anything for here. The only social distance when we dey see from the video, he continue they give Chioma back every time when Chioma try to join herself with him. So if you not see the way Chioma take really stand, I really feel for him. It be like person will be really wants make them take her like family pictures, so that people go still send, go still pepper them. So but the video now, lo and behold, he give am back. So you now see the way she takes suffering, hold her back like this. So at this point, me I advise Chioma self say make he waka face from, make she mind her life, because Davido self, I don't see waiting you they just they give yourself wahala for, because this man self, I'm not sure say Davido really sent for anything again, because when I see the way Chioma take dey waka with this waist trainer self, they feel they waka, now go see the video for there. I say who you dey do all those one for now? Because of Davido. I'm not sure say whether Davido self they see all those things again. Anyway, anyhow when it be, make we dey pray make them come back, and people when be say they continue they pray make them come back, make them still get am for mind say make them not come out tomorrow. Now don't see Ani Dibia and Tubaba, make una not come out tomorrow. Now come they drag the video, now come they cry, they talk say why it can't be like this, because now don't see the red lights. Now no fit also now no know. Chioma fit no know before he get belle for Davido, but this one I don't they see him, and now they push and say make him enter. If he enter, we pray make he not end up like Ani. Now go still ready to carry the cross with him. Yes, my correct people, as I talk before, I talk say another man wahala now show that they carry, and they carry on for head. So now no say when Davido they do all these things, he get one reality star when they call Gifty, and she can throw away her own opinion for his house Sunday. Come talk say the way Davido they show love and care and get time for his children, say he really appreciate and he respect her for that one. She can't drop this one, say no papa better pass Davido, period. No matter what saga it is between him and his relationship, is always there for his kids, come rain and shine. For that I respect and love him. When I remember say inside Sunday night this Gifty drop this message. So the thing come be like say na wahala to some people. Person like Etinosa come talk say, if you wan talk say some papa no dey try make him measure only him papa, say wow, the fear of Davido and Chioma is the beginning of wisdom. He come talk say him own papa try for am, say the position when she dey today, Etinosa, say if to say no be him papa, if for no dey this position, which she still believe say many other papas still dey when he dey there for their children. For the fact say some papa sef dem sleep bend head go one side, no mean say all papa na the same. Say that statement when she make, e no make am well. So my correct people, this na wetin she write. So e come talk say, if you want to talk to your father, your two different lady daddies, talk to them directly, but please leave our fathers, my dearly beloved father, out of it. Trying to even use OBO to settle your family problem. Nice try. Not Nigeria women low-key teaching men to be badly behaved. A man does what he's supposed to do as a father to his own child, and some low self-esteem women start singing his praises like he's done something extraordinary. Same way we worship politicians for doing half of what they were actually elected, paid for to do. I have never seen a woman being praised and worshipped for breastfeeding her own child. If it is a big deal that a man attended the birthday party of his own child and ordered that he has suddenly made him the best father in the world, then omo, your childhood, that means say the thing rough. My correct people, now that one I right. So Gbasgbo sef come be like say don't dey full everywhere because of Davido and Chioma matter. Anyway, I want make una shook mouth, put make una throw una comment below at the comment section whether una agree with wetin she talk or whether una no agree. Say Davido sef he can't attend the birthday party, they carry the pikin go do am dedication, something for church, the way he do other of his children. Say e come be like say Chioma own na big deal. The way people dey talk, and e come be like say no be im duty. Say na im duty, na im give woman belle, so e supposed to take care of the children. So my people, I want make una drop una comment below at the comment section how una see am, how una think am. Make I bounce to the other side. Yes, my correct people, make I quick give una update when it concern Cubana chief priest and Maria. And I know say inside yesterday, na im come out, e dey drag Maria like I pass my neighbor sake of saying, he say Maria collect his sister husband for in hand. Yes, I come first give una some updates yesterday. I come drop some video in case you never watch am. If you go through my channel, you go see am. But this time around, we don dey dig into the matter, we don dey touch light. The truth don finally come and say actually this in-law, when he be say Cubana chief priest, they drag up and down like I pass my neighbor. So say the man actually make Maria understand say he not be married man, say he don't separate him with the woman, they not dey again. And we dey hear say the man and the woman, they not really dey again, but they just new start the process of divorce. The thing never mature, but the man don't already tell Maria say him with the woman, they not dey again. Everybody don't waka face front. So now I make Maria shook head for the matter. But Cubana chief priest sef no wan take am like that. Im talk say for the fact say court sef never sign the paper, the woman and the man they still be husband and wife. So now husband snatcher, now Maria still be. Meanwhile, he when be the Cubana chief priest, he don't carry the matter to another level. He don't go wear that cloth when he dey wear. He don't land for shrine. He said this matter when they see so, he don't go table am for the elders. He said now Amadio herself, now he go settle the matter between him and Maria. So my correct people, I don't know how na think, how na see, and I think say this Cubana chief priest don't they carry this matter too much to another level. Make una just drop now comment below at the comment section. Make I bounce to the other side of the gist. Yes, my correct people, they talk say some people self not get shame for eye. This one they concern Jemena. Now no say Popo gree and this Jemena, the way they take wire themselves, the way they take pesh themselves. The thing fly for social media some days ago when one audio self it can't leak. Right now, since that time now, she can't be missing action. We don't even can they see the Jemena again. She not can they post. We don't know what happened. But some people can they talk say, it be like say the husband say you know where, because after I don't hear this news, he can't go land for hospital. So she dey busy, they run up and down, they take care of her. Because of that one, she know they post the wine waste the way she did do one before. But right now she don't come out, she don't make everybody understand. Say she still dey gidigba. Wetin people they think not be so. say no shaking, say her marriage just still stand. Whether in kerewa popo green or kerewa waramo, say shame not there for eye. Say him husband self now understanding man, say he don't worry at all at all. So he can't see they make us understand. Say he don't see the reason why it makes some people know they want to flaunt their husband for social media, because immediately you flaunt them for social media, jealous people won't do anything to make sure say the marriage self is scattered. Forgetting say na him go kerewa popo green, the tape come out now he dey talk say people na their wish make the marriage scatter, but the something not go scatter. My correct people, make I read wetin she post for now. She can't talk say, I now understand every lady who decided not to show off their partner on that is social media. I can't talk say, to every lady who do not show off their spouse, I understand you now. It is not because social media will scatter it. It is because some people, when they get bad belly, when it be say they lonely, not by choice, people do not like anything that make one happy unless they are happy, and it is rub off on you somehow. I am a very young girl and I am making a lot of changes to my life, but it is still the audacity for me. So wetin she dey talk now be say, which audacity we when be say now we be the amebo, or when be say now we be the internet lawyers, in-laws and all of them, name it, when they take drag her because say she kerewawa popogri. My correct people, and they talk say some people they when be say they don't get shame for IO at all at all. So my correct people, this lady now, this Gemina, see they tell people say we when be say now we even talk for the matter. People when be say now that they shook mouth, they poke nose for the matter self. The audacity for them still they wonder ram. So my correct people, I want make una drop on our comment below at the comment section. Make I bounce to the last gist. Yes, my correct people, this last gist they consign Tiwa baby, Tiwa Savage. Yes. Tiwa Savage don't come draw some kind message when it makes some people they fear, some people they panic, whether she they think of how to take end everything. Maybe she they think of say she won't delete herself. We don't come know this now message when it drop, when it come make a lot of people they fear for social media. She can't talk say some people will be happy when I am no more. Then she can't talk say I was sad at the passing of my dad and 44, but at least they are no longer in this place. Some people will be happy when I am no more. So my people, the thing they make a lot of people they fear say because of this video when he leak this video, when he just send that tape, whether the dragging now don't be like say too much, whether she don't they think of how say make she could just delete herself, make she end everything, we no can know. So the message when she drop make a lot of people they worry, say at this point now say Tiwa Savage at this point say she go need therapy. It be like say many things go don't fool her brain, because the thing when people don't talk, even sote self, somebody self even just DM and still tell and say the video when people they talk, he don't try to beg different people, say make them share and with her, they don't agree, they very selfish. She even can't write the Tiwa personally for a DM say I beg, whether I still get the video may send out to them. So now go see all those things go don't plenty for here. I beg my people, make we leave this matter like this. You don't do like that. And not be say they support all those things. If she talk say na mistake, na by accident, make we leave her like that. Nobody when be say holy pass for this life. If to say I believe safe to say now man do this kind of thing now, therefore not carry on like this. Make them leave her, because sometimes this mental health is very important, because everybody get different way when they fit they handle something. Maybe the drag it don't too much. Make we leave her like that. So my correct it constantly happens to this be say this speedality itself constantly throw away on. It can't make us understand say that Tiwa Savage now he take a hand release that audio, I be that tape by itself. Say now he do him, he just do him because he want make people notice him, because he don't they fade. But a lot of people not agree. They talk say which popularity should they look for again when we say everybody don't first know, now bonge musician. So waiting she go they look for when you can't do this kind of thing by itself. And moreover, I get picking join. But I go drop the video for now. Me myself make una listen, my correct people make una self shook mouth put whether I agree with waiting speedality talk. But meanwhile, I go round up for here. I go see you now very soon for my next video when I go to take from now. I beg if you be say today now your first time when you come across my channel and you like my video and you never subscribe, I beg make you not forget to subscribe and click the notification bell, so that anytime when I throw ogbonge gist like this, you know go feel they miss some. And now when be my returning subscribers, God will bless you now for me. I will see you now very soon for my next video. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.
She did it herself. Nami Tokam. Yes. Tiwa released it on her own. All this somebody blackmail me. It's a lie. I don't believe anybody blackmailed Tiwa. Tiwa released that video on her own because she wants to stay relevant.